Tonight, Beggars to undergo skills training, daylight savings back in action, and Fiji turns 41 this week. Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today. Plans are in place to get beggars started on vocational training programs and get them off the streets. The Ministry of Social Welfare and Poverty Alleviation believes beggars will quit their day job when they are equipped with proper job skills. Minister Dr. Chikulubeni says the rehabilitation program for beggars will help government resolve the growing number of beggars in Fiji. To carry out this program, the ministry will closely work with families of beggars.
Research has established that the begging population is a mobile one. To track down beggars and get them onto the vocational skills program, the Ministry of Social Welfare will have to work closely with families.
The profiling that we've done is just for Suva only. Most of the beggars in Suva are very mobile. When we are on their toes in Suva, you'll find them in Osori, even Nandi and Lautoka. But the profiling that we have in Suva will give us an overview of the situation of beggars in this country.
Beggars above the age of 30 will be transferred to the National Employment Center for vocational training. Dr. Luveni says with appropriate training, beggars will learn to make responsible decisions about earning an income, live in better conditions and protect their health. However, Dr. Luveni says families form a major part of the solution to Fiji's begging problem when they show a greater responsibility for their family members so they don't end up on the streets begging.
The Foreign Minister of Georgia, Grigol Vashadze, arrived in the country today ahead of the first bilateral meeting between the two countries to be held tomorrow.
Minister Vashadze is here to strengthen bilateral relations and enhance trade cooperation between the two countries for the benefit of Fijians and Georgians. A statement on the Georgian Foreign Ministry website quoted Deputy Foreign Minister of Georgia, David Jalagania, saying the visit will also contribute to deepening relations with the countries of Oceania. The European country is a world leader in the use of hydropower energy, which is an area that Fiji can benefit from. Georgia is opening up embassies in the Pacific Rim of countries. Fiji established diplomatic relations with Georgia last year. Minister Vashadze is tentatively set for a meeting the Prime Minister tomorrow when both leaders are expected to discuss on areas of mutual benefit. He leaves Fiji for Australia on Wednesday to meet with his Australian counterpart, Kevin Rudd.
Get ready to once more switch your time 1 hour ahead of the standard time as daylight savings begins on the 23rd of this month. Minister for Labour, Industrial Relations and Employment, Mr. Philippe Mbole, has made the daylight saving order, saying the time savings initiative has benefited both the private and public sector over the years. All Fijians are encouraged to overall increase economic activity, work and agricultural productivity, Mr. Mbole said. At 2 a.m. on October 23rd, move your watch dials 1 hour ahead. Daylight saving ends on the 26th of February 2012. We take a break before we bring you more on Fiji Today.